everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you guys the coupons that we'll be getting this Sunday, January 13th, 2019. Now, I already looked at the coupons. Nothing's really popping out at me. So I usually order coupons. I will not be ordering coupons this time because nothing's really worth buying. I still get my newspaper at my house, and that's pretty much all I need. But otherwise, it's kind of a slow week for coupons, which is fine with me because I don't need any of these and I really barely ever buy any of this stuff. But I'm here to share with you guys what coupons we'll be getting so you guys can, know if you need that. Plus, I know I don't even get half of these anyways with my inserts, so there's that going on. But we are getting just one insert, and it's Smart Source, so we got $1 off of one Airborne, $1 off of one Arm & Hammer toothpaste, just the toothpaste, Velveeta, $1 off of 2 breakfasts. I think that's some kind of medicine. Corel, 2 off of 1, 4 off of 1. Jolly Good, Time, popcorn, 50 cents off of 1. Nabisco, we are getting 75 cents off of 2, which could be an okay coupon. Neo, I don't even know how to pronounce it. Ooh, that's good. Frozen pizza, we're getting a wee. Yogurt, 30 cents off of 1. Pillsbury, $1 off of 3, which that coupon you guys can actually print off of coupons.com right now. Rachel Ray Nourish dog food coupons, we got that going on. Russell Stouffer, we got $1 off of 2 sugar-free candy. Tabasco sauce, $1.15 off of 1. Vitafusion or Little Critters, $1 off of 1 or 3 off of 1. And then we're getting the Wet n Wild coupons for 50 cents off of 1, 1 off of 1, or 1 off of 1. That is pretty much it. It's a slow week with coupons, but hopefully there's some better deals at the stores. But I just wanted to share with you guys what we will be getting so you guys can figure out if you need to order extra coupons or not. But just wanted to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.